Hey Samantha, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you doing, Caitlin?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm just getting really bored of quarantine and having to stay in the house.
Me too. I have just been watching TV and sitting on my.
Yeah,
I am going to do
Bottom.
something.
yeah. My mom got tired of me bugging her the other day, so she showed me how to make a bouncy ball to entertain me.
You
Yeah,
can make bouncy balls?
yes. So that is exactly why I called you, so that we could make a bouncy ball together, or I could show you one, show you how to make
That's
one.
awesome because my mom is getting tired of me bugging her too. Let's do it. What do I
Okay,
need?
so I'm gonna show you the um, the materials list first, and I'll read it to you so that you know. Okay, so you're going to need half a cup of warm water. You're also going to need a tablespoon of borax, 1 to 2 tablespoons of glitter glue or white glue, and some food coloring depending on what you want your ball to look like, and a stirring stick. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You think you have all of that laying around?
Well, 1 second. Let me go look and see. Okay. So I think I have everything I needed. I have my water and my glue. It didn't have glitter glue, so I have to settle for regular glue. My borax, my measuring spoons, my mixing spoon, my food coloring, and my cups, my cornstarch.
Okay, so now that you have all of your ingredients, let's get started.
All right.
Okay, so first you will need to set out the 2 small cups that you got, and you will need
Okay.
to label one of them the borax solution, and the other one needs to be labeled ball solution.
All right. So this one is going to be my borax,
Okay.
and this one is going to be my ball.
Okay. After you have labeled them, then you will add half a cup of warm water to the borax cup, and then you will also add 1 tablespoon of borax into that cup as well. But make sure your water is warm.
Okay. My water is warm. I'm adding my 1 tablespoon of borax. Okay.
After you have done that, you will use your stirring stick to stir it until it is dissolved.
All right. Okay. It is dissolved.
Okay. Next, you will set that cup aside, and now you will be working on your ball mixture cup. You will add 1 tablespoon of glue to the ball mixture cup,
Okay.
and if you have food coloring, which I'm assuming you do, you'll put about 3 to 4 drops of that in there.
Okay. All right. Oh, got my glue.
The glue is hard to get out of there.
It's kind of hard. You have to be really strong. And I'm going to add my green food coloring because green is my favorite color. Okay. Should I mix it?
um, don't mix that one at all, but we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the ball mixture. So add a
Okay.
tablespoon of cornstarch to your ball mixture. And you will also, after that, immediately you want to add from your borax mixture, you want to add half a tablespoon or half a teaspoon of the borax solution to the ball mixture. So after you've added that, quickly get your half a teaspoon out, take it out of the borax solution and put it in your ball mixture. Now you want to make sure you don't touch it and let it sit there.
Okay, why do we let it sit there? And for how long?
15 seconds, make sure you do not stir it.
Okay, so I have my timer going for 15 seconds.
Okay, so the ingredients are having a chemical reaction, and if we stir too soon, it won't have time to make that bond.
Doesn't
So we
look like
want
it.
to make sure we aren't stirring.
Okay, can I start now? My timer went off.
Oh yeah, go ahead and stir. But keep stirring until you can't stir anymore.
Ooh, it's really sticky.
Yeah, it should be really hard to stir.
Okay. All right, I think I'm getting close. It is just all sticking together.
Okay, so now you will take the mixture out of the cup and you will start forming the ball into your hand.
Okay. It's very squishy. Excited.
Is it sticky still?
Not. No, it stopped squishing, sticking. It's just squishy.
Once the ball isn't sticky anymore, you can make it smooth and round, and your bouncy ball will be complete, just like mine.
It's that easy?
It's that easy. Sometimes it takes just a little bit to get a little bit more hard so you can bounce it.
All right, I think my bouncy ball's almost done. It's a little square, but that'll make it more fun to bounce. We don't know where.
Yeah, so once my bouncy ball was complete, my mom started explaining some of the stuff about the mixture and solutions. She told me that a mixture is when two or more ingredients are mixed together but do not have a chemical reaction. And a solution is when two or more ingredients are mixed together and completely dissolve. There is a chemical reaction.
Okay,
So
what was the borax solution then?
So that was a solution because they were mixed together and they were completely dissolved. Remember, we waited until it was completely dissolved?
Right. And the ball?
And the ball was, it was going to be a mixture because it was when two or more ingredients are mixed together but do not have a chemical reaction.
Okay. Thank you for clarifying that for me.
Yes.
And I think my ball is all done. Let's see if it bounces. Well, that was a little bounce. It might need to harden up a little.
Yes. Yes. So you can always play with this bouncy ball and you can teach other people how to make it too.
Awesome. Thank you so much for teaching me how to play with this. I'm going to show my brothers.
Would you mind sending me a picture so I can show my mom?
Of course. Definitely do that.
Okay,
and we want to.
Go ahead.
Sorry. We want to see your guys' pictures too, but we need to have your parents' permission. So you can just put them in the comments below and we want to show us. Okay. Thank you so much.